I know you probably hate throwing things away, but you know what? This timer's no good anymore. Bye-bye, Mr. Timer. You've been good to us for the last couple of years. You saved us lots of money on our electricity bills. I really love the fact that you did that. You could save this as a replacement one. You could save this nut in case you ever lose a nut or one gets messed up. You could save that. And this little handle, believe it or not, if yours goes bad, don't make the assumption you have to buy a whole new timer, because I looked on Amazon, of course, Amazon, and I actually found these replacement handles that fit. The only thing was, when I looked on there, it sure looked like it was the same size. I went and ordered 5 of them, and the overall handle was just a hair smaller in diameter. It still fit and everything. I thought, oh, what's the deal with that? It actually had the little eye on there, Intermatic on it and stuff. It looked exactly like this and everything, except it was a little bit smaller. So check it out on Amazon. You might be able to find these as a replacement, because lots of times if your timer does go out, this is going to be something that goes out before anything else. It's all plastic, and sometimes this gets worn and then it gets loose and then it wants to pop off, and you may have to get a new little handle for this. Amazon came through for me once again. For this one though, this was still a little bit sloppy. It wasn't to the point where I could just pull this off with my hand, so I know in a pinch, if I need to use this later on down the road for another handle that gets messed up, maybe I will, knowing that I'm going to have to replace it, or it gives me enough time to order a new one. So just because you got some new parts, don't throw away all the old ones. Hey, what am I going to talk about next time? What's my next video going to be about? I have no idea. That's why you'll just have to keep watching. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.